Hey guys, so today we're going to talk about claim, evidence, and reasoning. And this is a sort of a framework or a tool that we're going to use for the rest of the year. So I thought I'd make a video about it to try to let anybody who misses it during class the chance to make it up and understand. So claim, evidence, and reasoning, how to defend your words. So this video does a good job of explaining exactly what claim, evidence, and reasoning is, but I'm not going to play it for you right now. So what I'd like you to do is pause this video now, go to the classroom, open up this PowerPoint, and watch this video, okay? It does a good job of explaining what a claim is, what is evidence, and how does reasoning connect the two. So anyway, watch this video, and then we'll come back in just a second. So pause me, go watch the video. Welcome back. So what does CER look like in our classroom? And so we're going to start at the top with a question, right? What question is being asked? Where did the red-eared sliders go? And then you can make a claim. What is my answer to that question? Well, my claim is that they were probably sleeping under the ice. Now I can provide evidence, and in that video, she finds peer-reviewed journal articles, and she takes direct observations of the turtles, and she collects a whole bunch of evidence. And for a lot of people, that might be where we end it. You'd say, where are they? Well, according to these journals, they sleep, and then according to this, I see them at the bottom of the ice not moving. They must be sleeping. And what we want to do is provide that link. We want to provide that link through something called reasoning. How does that evidence support your claim? What is the science principle that explains why that evidence is linked to that claim? So peer-reviewed journals say that the turtles sleep under the ice in, I forget what she called it, something like hibernation, brumation. Brumation is a thing that red-eared sliders are known to do. And so you can connect the two of those things directly and explicitly with your words. So here I'm going to show you this video because it's only a minute long, but here's an example of that framework in action, just like we're going to do in class.
I have evidence that proves my dad's a space alien. He speaks a weird language. He drinks green stuff. He says he's from Albuquerque. I'm not buying it. I mean, just look at him. And one more thing, he has a spaceship. The evidence doesn't lie. My dad's an alien.
The highly advanced Audi A6, named to car and driver's 10.
So now, clearly that's just an ad, right? Her dad's not an alien, but the thinking and the rationale is legitimate. So they didn't ask the question directly, but given her claim, my dad is an alien, we can figure out what the question should have been. And that's where we start our paper, is at the top with a question. Is my dad an alien? And then we make a claim to that and say, yes, my dad is an alien. Now, when we look for evidence, she did claim a number of pieces of evidence. She said he speaks a weird language. He drinks green stuff. He says he's from a strange sounding place, Albuquerque. And he has a spaceship. So I take this evidence that we've collected, all of this observational evidence, and we put it into the framework. So now down here, my evidence, he drives a spaceship. He speaks a strange language, and he drinks green stuff. Those are three of the pieces of evidence that she claimed in the video to prove that her dad is an alien. So most people are good at making a claim and showing evidence. We can get there. We can say, he's an alien, he drives a spaceship. That's how I know. But what we struggle with is connecting the two in a clear and easy to understand way. And so to describe the reasoning, we explain in very specific language why each piece of evidence supports our claim. Let's look at the framework again. So here's, is my dad an alien? Yeah, my dad is an alien. He drives a spaceship. Aliens drive spaceships, and my dad's car is a spaceship, so he must be an alien. I took my evidence, he drives a spaceship, and I've linked it directly to the claim in very specific terms. Aliens drive spaceships, my dad drives a spaceship, so he must be an alien. I've taken the two and I've connected them. He speaks a strange language. Aliens speak strange languages, and I've heard my dad speaking a strange gargled language, so he must be an alien. He drinks green stuff. Well, aliens are green and they eat weird foods, so my dad also eats weird green foods. He must be an alien. I've gathered evidence, I've connected it to my claim, and now I'm well defended. So what next? Well, now that I've finished the framework, I can use that sheet to help me write a conclusion where I make a very well-defended claim. For instance, my dad is a space alien and I have proof. Aliens need spaceships to get to Earth, and my dad drives a spaceship to work every day. He also speaks in a weird gurgling language. Since aliens also speak weird languages, this is further proof that he is an alien as well. Finally, we all know that aliens must eat weird green foods, and my dad drinks a big yucky looking green breakfast every day. All of this evidence means that my claim must be true. My dad is an alien. I've laid out my claim in the beginning and at the end, and then I have provided the specific evidence and explained why that evidence means my claim is right. So again, for the record, this is a car ad, right? Her dad's clearly not an alien. It's only an example. Her evidence isn't accurate. And if you made the same claim, I would call you out on it. I would say, that's not really a spaceship, it's a car, right? What are other things that green drink could be, right? So in class, we'll be using either direct observations from experiments and labs that we've done, or peer-reviewed articles, or other high-quality texts and videos to gather evidence. The steps this kid uses, though, are great. So in summary, you make a claim. Her dad is an alien, right? Reasoning is the thing that connects this evidence. He drinks green stuff, so he must be an alien because aliens eat green stuff, and so does dad. So dad must be an alien too, okay? My claim, my evidence, and my reasoning connects the two. So now it's your turn. I want you to make a claim about anything. What food is the best? What movie should I watch? Why are robots going to take over the world? Why should we move the entire population of Earth to Mars? Anything. I don't care what it is. Then provide the evidence and reasoning to support it. Okay, you're going to find this assignment on the classroom, and you'll see a link to a PowerPoint that's going to have the claim, evidence, reasoning framework in there. I want you to make a claim and then spell it out for me. Pepperoni pizza is the best pizza. Evidence number 1. There's more pepperoni pizza sold in the United States than any other kind of pizza. Evidence number 2. I don't know. I don't have another piece of evidence for that. So, but the reasoning would be, if this is the most popular sold pizza, then it must be the most popular pizza. It's probably the best tasting pizza. And so you could connect those two. So you're giving me a claim, 3 pieces of evidence, and the reasoning to support that claim up. And I don't care what this is, what TikTok video is the best, whatever you want to support. Just show me the steps. You've taken evidence and provided sound reasoning. Submit all that by the end of the day, and you'll be caught up. Have a good day, everybody.